here today because I have had the worst knee issues over the last 10 years. I started in '09, I tore my first ACL, and a year later I tore my second ACL, and a year later after that I tore my meniscus. I took a little 4-year break, and then I tore my second meniscus. My knees have been riddled with arthritis pain. They click, they're sore. I can't wear heels like I used to. Everything's changed. My husband did this procedure about a year ago, and he's been A1 perfect. So I figured, why not me? If he can help him, and he played 9 years of football, I've never played a sport. It should be able to help me. So I'm here today. My biggest issue is I am not a needle person, but they were very, very patient with me and gentle. And even though the needle hurt, they let me scream. So, A+ for RBI. And now I'm just looking forward to healing and getting my life back, because I've been down for a while. I'm only 47. I should be doing crazy stuff like the teenagers, but no, I'm always sitting on the side wondering what I could do to avoid hurting my knees even more. And now I'm looking forward to wearing my pretty shoes.